Come to the store to buy noodles again. Okay. And you see if you buy the ribs here, they can help you to chop the ribs. And I want to buy some green leafy vegetables. This kind of small. No, this is not cabbage. I like this one. I'll buy this one. Here is a noodle I cooked. It's very delicious. Noodles for lunch. Here is what I prepared. Pork meat. It seems a little bit more. And some minced ginger, garlic, green onions, and red pepper, and celery, some celeries. So I'm going to cook steamed noodles here. Steamed noodles. Okay. First, you pour some oil into the pot. Don't need much because they are fatty meat. Then get the fatty meat into the pot. We just need to keep frying till the fatty meat turn into gold color. At the same time, put into some bajao and pepper. I don't have many pepper left. Okay. I still need frying for a little bit longer time. I added some this kind of chili oil. This chili oil, look, so the color looks better. Then I need to pour in the celeries and keep stir frying. Okay, so here is the noodle after cooked. It's raining now. A rainy day, so I didn't go to the office. I'm going to stay at home, and if there are documents work, I will do it at home. On my way to the store nearby to buy some noodles. I cook noodles for lunch. This is a view of the raining day. Raining street. It is raining heavily, and I'm going to use the rain to do something. So what do I do? Hey. I'm going to wash my car by using the rain. Well, you can see the surface. They are dirty. It's dirty, but by using the brush, the washing tool, everything could be there. Here, this is my tool to wash my car. I need to let the wall be wet. What should I do? I'm going to use the water. Use the water. Where? I'm going to use the water here. You see, here is a good water. I use the water here. It's interesting. Okay, it's done. I'm going to wash my car now. Wow! Interesting. With one hand. Okay, I need to stop recording and use two hands. Oh, I can just use one hand because I am holding my camera, so I can just use one hand. Interesting. Well, you can see on the top of the car, well, half, the right half is white and the left half is dirty. It's interesting. Well, look at this view. It's white after washed. And here, this is not washing. This is dirt. It's different. This is a line. This is a line, the middle line. This part is white and this part is dirty. I'm going to wash it right now. It's a rainy day and I use the rain to do something great. It's interesting. I'm a fucking genius. Okay, it's done. I finished the washing. This is my car after washed in the rain. And this is a car beside me. And here, this is another car beside me. So, after washing, it's really different. I'm a fucking genius. Here is a sky view to watch my car. You see, that one after washed is mine. Clearly, it looks cleaner than the ones nearby. I'm a genius. Use the rain to wash the car. Nobody knows better than me. Tremendous. It's great. Well, wash my car in the rain. Good news is that my car is cleaner. Bad news is that, you see, here, half of my clothes is wet. I need to change the dry and new clothes and get these clothes washed. I'm happy. It's a creative trying. And I got the materials, the contents to share. My daughter Shushu says that she wants to eat crabs and she will come to visit me today. So I'm thinking I'm going to go to market to buy some crabs. So I come here to this market. I will search if they sell crab. Oh, at the very first sight, I see these crabs. And there are big crabs. They are good. I'm going to buy some crabs. You see? They also have some crabs. Some crabs here. I want to buy some of this kind of crabs.
鲍鱼咋的？
鲍鱼9.5，鲍鱼6.5。诶，那看着不太新鲜的，看这个吧。好，这应该有8个了啊。And also get the water off. That's good. Saturday, I go to the office to receive a document. Hey, the crabs are ready. We're going to eat crabs. Well, it's always a mess if eating crabs, because crab shells are everywhere. So I don't share you how we eat crabs. Go here. Hey, my daughter came to see me. But we eat differently. I eat steamed noodles, and I cooked instant noodles for my daughter. She likes. She picked this. She selected these noodles. She wants to eat. 觉得辣吗 ？Spicy 你要不想吃的话，你可以跟我换一下。你吃这个 steamed noodles。No。我这有肉，你想吃的话可以尝尝。你这个有蛋，煎的鸡蛋，多好啊！ Weather is getting colder and colder, so cook such a lunch. Soup noodles. It is a perfect meal. Soup noodles, my favorite food in winter. It's really good. Hey, it's been several days not eating stir-fried 3 cubes, the meat cube and vegetable cubes with noodles. So today I will cook this kind of food for lunch. Here I prepared meat cubes and vegetable cubes, potato cubes and celery cubes, and other seasonings, the green onions, the red pepper, ginger, and garlic. Okay, here is my lunch. Finished. Well, cook this food cost me like 30 minutes, maybe 30 more minutes. So it needs a little bit more time. But after cooking, enjoy the food.
Thank you. Please press like. Welcome your comment.